I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone's passcode and set up an alternate passcode, whether it be more complex or just a new passcode.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open the settings app of your phone and then scroll down to Face ID and Passcode and open those settings. Now you're going to type in your passcode that you currently have, and this will open up the settings so that you can change your passcode. Scroll down and you will see Change Passcode as an option here. Again, you're going to have to type in your current passcode, and then now you're going to have the option to change your passcode to something else. Now, if you'd like to change the complexity of your passcode, select Passcode Options. This will give you either 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, or you can do a custom numeric code, meaning custom length. You can do a custom alphanumeric code, meaning letters and numbers if you'd like, with a full keypad. In this particular instance, I'm just going to use 4-digit numeric code and then type that in. Then I will type that in again to verify it. Now, once this is confirmed, your passcode is changed. Just make sure to remember your new passcode because you're going to need it to unlock your phone.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.